Hello guys, welcome to in November final exam. I was a little bit busy so I not able to make video. So first of all sorry for that. Without wasting any time, let's started our first exam of November 2021. Let's go. The first part of take a business online. Now we are heading towards the first question. What is the biggest challenge for most business when going online? What will be the answer? Planning a budget? No. Developing a plan? Yes. It will be developing a plan. Second question. When looking to advertise a new business online, what is one of the major benefits of displaying ads? What will be the answer? Answer A. They are seen by everyone. No. They have higher click-through rate. No. They can come in many different formats. Yes. This will be the right answer. Website hosting servers have their own unique IP. What does this address consist of? Number and letters? Numbers only. IP address consists only numbers, not any digits, not any other letters. Question 4. When defining a strategy for your business, how can computer analysis help you establish a USP? Answer A. It can enable you to offer discount that compete directly with your competitor pricing. No. It can identify how your offering is different to comparison to your competitor. Yes. It will be the right answer. Question 5. You notice that when people seeing image of your products online, you have an increase in conversion or sales. Which customer touch point could you use to take advantage of this insight? Shopping bags? Shopping bag is not the right answer. Blog content? No. YouTube? Social media? Yeah. We are going towards another part of make it easy for people to find a business on the web. Question number 6. What is the term we use to describe how search engine categorize each piece of content? Listing, crawling, indexing? Yes, it will be the indexing. Question number 7. When using a search engine, what is the name of word or phrase somebody type to find something online? Search phrase? Search term, search query? Yes, search query will be the right answer. Question 8. When looking to increase the presence of website, putting together your search engine optimization plan will help you plan your steps. Which activity would be first on the list? Choose what image to put on your website, reserving all the social profiles that you will be using for the business, finding people who will link back to your website, keyword search. Yes, the keyword search will be the right answer. Question number 9. Gaining backlinks to your website is a great way to improve the SEO performance. What best practice will encourage people to link back to your website? Pay people to link back your site? No. Write some great content that we'll find useful. Yes, we have to write some useful and great content. Question 10. A lot of factors can affect how well a website will rank on your own search engine. What role does metadata have in the process? Help your website stand out from the competition? Allow you to input lots of keywords so that you appear all of them. No. Provide search engine with more consistent and clear information about what on the website. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question 11. Fill in the blanks. When managing SME campaign, the best way to optimize your quality score is to improve the dash of your keywords, adverts and landing page. So relevance, yes, relevance is the right answer. Question 12. When advertising on search engine, if you bid the same as your competitor, having a higher quality score will means you appear where the comparison, alongside them, below them, on the next page, after them, above them. Yes, these are all the right. Above them. Question 13. What can you achieve if you divide your search engine marketing account into relevant comparison and ad groups? Number 1. Drive more traffic to your website. B. Target more people in different areas of the world. And C. Ensure people see relevant ad to their search query. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question 14. What is the most important thing to consider when optimizing a search engine marketing campaign? The first one is increase the bid for the keyword you are targeting. Increase the relevance of the keywords, ads and landing page. This one will be the right answer. We are going towards another part of the reach more people locally on social media or on mobile. Question number 15. Digital marketing isn't just about selling your product internationally. It can be used to great effect for local business. What do we mean by locally business? A business that operates from the specific geographic location. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question number 16. Why it is important to reach customer on their mobile when advertising locally? People use their mobile while they are on the go. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question number 17. Using social media for businesses purposes can be very different to running personal profile. If you are looking to attract people to your social network, what tone of voices should you consider? Stern and serious and honest, fun and inviting, engaging and inviting. Yes, this one will be the right answer. Question 18. Bidding a plan will help you to focus your effort when using social media. What should you consider when making your social media plan? Answer A. Your audience data, no. Your audience interests, yes. Interests. Question 18. With more and more users use mobile to look at website, it is key that you optimize your site so user can find it when searching online. Which two elements should you look to optimize for improved SEO performance? Site speed and stability, usability. Yeah, this will be the right answer. Question 20. Mobile advertising is great tool for marketer, but all the good work could be undone if your website isn't what? Optimize for different devices, yes, this will be the right answer. Question 21. Because online attention spans are shorter, a great hook and opening sentence is important to draw people in. What is this a best practice example of? Write engaging online copy. This will be the right answer. Another part of the exam, reach more customer with advertising. Question 22. When it comes to email marketing, what do we mean by the term A and B testing? A/B testing means you can split your content alphabetically. No. A/B testing means you spend the same email twice to know. Answer C. A/B testing means splitting your audience and sending each of them a different variation of your email. Yes. Question 23. Which form of targeting would you use to display ads to people who have previously visited your website? Search advertising, requiring re-advertising, retargeting. Yes, this will be the retargeting. Question 24. When advertisers run online ads that typically include an image for people to click on, it is called search engine optimization, no. Banner advertising, no. Display advertising, yes. When discussing display advertising, what is an ad network? A way to get free traffic to your website, no. A directory of lots of websites that sell the same products as you do, no. An online store of image you can use within your content, yes. This will be the right answer. Question 26. How can you attract social media users to share your online content, video content online? Tag them in post. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question 27. How can your business benefit from video without making one yourself? Advertising on other people's videos. Yes, this will be the right answer. Track and measure web traffic. Question 28. In the world of analytics, tracking the type of device the user sees your site by is considered which type of data? Conversion dimension. Question 29. When using analytics program on your website, which of these do not fall under the category of a matrix? Browse browser user use to access your site? Yes, this will be the question. 30. When it comes to web analytics, what insight can you gather using analytics tool? Website users visit after leaving your website. How you currently rank in search engine? No. How people interact with your website? Yes, this will be the right answer. Question 31. When using web-based analytics tool by segmenting the idea, you will be able to achieve which of the following? Bid higher with your SEM advertising account? No. Find insight that can help you identify where to make improvement? Yes, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this will be the right answer. Question 32. When creating a presentation based on lots of data, what principle should you bear in mind? Show all the information available to go your audience as much content as possible. No. Tailor your approach to your audience in order to tell a better story. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question 33. Why should you avoid focusing on collecting as much data as possible? Vast quantities of data will take a long time to process. No. Large amount of data are harder to store online. No. The right information at the right time is more valuable. That is most common question in this exam. Sell products or services online. Question 34. When looking to introduce e-commerce function to your website, which of the following would be best first step? Build an online store with an integrated payment system. No. Set up a web-based money transfer software like PayPal. Yes, this will be the right answer. 35. Which of these are benefit for businesses using usually fully integrated e-commerce platform? Number 1. Stock control. No. Integrated invoicing. No. The ability of tracking shipping. No. Automatic compliance process system. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question 36. Why trying to increase the product sales on your website? One way to achieve this is to dash. Number 1. Send multiple follow-up emails once a purchase has been made. No. Show them remarketing ads with a variety of products. No. Provide the customer with relevant suggested purchase. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question 37. Analytics can help optimize your website for such of the following. Number 1. Are for different devices, navigation and search. Yes, this will be the right answer. Another part of the exam, take a business global. Question 38. Fill in the blank. When advertising internationally, you should make your business dash to new market. Consider the dash and any possible dash. Guys, see, this is the most common question asking that I think in every exam. So be sure about this question and answer. The answer will be the first one. Accessible, supply chain and legal. Just remind it. This is the most common question of the exam. Question 39. If you are looking to expand your company presence online internationally, which of the following should you consider with regards to your online content? He translated by automatic tool. No, it's not helping us. Sorry. B. Translated but also locally adapted for the audience. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question 40. When looking to expand your business internationally on social media, what should you do first? Treat all social media channels the same? No. Choose people, phrases and memes? No. Analyze platform popular in the area. Yes, this will be the right answer. Now we are going to submit this exam. Now thank you very much all of you watching my videos. Please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon button so you can receive my latest videos and information about examination and other certifications. Thank you.